Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So now on this occasion, Ms. Cholata, I would want you to please speak a few words.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, so on behalf of the Tourism Authority of Thailand, Mumbai office, I am very delighted and very honored and very excited to work with the FitSub team. As you may see, they all are young, very active and energetic. So I feel some energy from them. Yeah, thank you very much. And yeah, as I said, we are very excited to have you in my country.
Well, Kishwar, I would please share with us your excitement about this trip to Thailand to explore some fitness and fun.
I am very very excited as always because FitSub के साथ तो मैंने बहुत सारे travels किए हैं and Phuket is going to be something very special because I'm going to go with Pishi. So I'm very I'm very excited because after a very long time we'll be traveling together. So that is really, yeah, it's going to be fun. And the whole zipline thing that we've heard of that we're going to do, and you know, a lot of yoga and a lot of other fitness things that we're going to do there is going to be good fun. And Sunny always makes sure कि you know हम जब जाते हैं तो शायद हम इतने fit नहीं होते हैं, पर जब हम वापस आते हैं, भले वो 2 दिन हो या 4 दिन हो, we come back always like very toned and you know very fit, and we also feel very good about ourselves. So really looking forward to this trip, yeah, with all of them. It'll be fun.
You'll get to see all those pictures on Instagram. Yep. Minute by minute, so all on the stories, yes. So Vishal, why don't you tell us about some of the activities you'll be doing in Thailand apart from ziplining?
Yeah, but you know, first of all, like I'm very thankful. I'm very very excited with this collaboration because this is my first FitSub trip. It's going to be, and even more excited because it's Thailand and Phuket because I've never been to Phuket, and at the same time, I'm not a very fitness conscious kind of a person because I'm Punjabi, roz aloo ke parothe and puriyan and aloo. That goes on like yeah, but yeah. So obviously the inspiration is right here. I'm looking forward to get inspired and be a fitness conscious person. And at the same time, बहुत सारी आज बातें हुई हैं जिसमें हमें पता चला कि बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग करने वाले हैं. Yes, ziplining is one thing, but I'm really looking forward to all the yogas on the beach and all the exercises we are going to do. So I'm very excited. I'm very very thankful to the entire FitSub team to making me this opportunity to be a part of this. Thank you.
सबसे पहली बात, मेरा शूट इतना हेक्टिक चल रहा है, सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड कि मुझे शूट के बीच में ये 4 दिन मिलने वाले हैं. आई स्वेयर आई एम नॉट किडिंग एट ऑल, क्योंकि मुझे जब पता चला कि यू नो फुकेट में हम जा रहे हैं, आई वॉज डैम एक्साइटेड एंड आई थिंक so they're waiting for me, but ओके, हम जब शारजा पहली बार गए थे तो उसके बाद से मैं हमेशा चाहती थी कि यू नो आई ट्रैवल मोर विथ यू ऑल बिकॉज इट्स सो मोटिवेटिंग, इट्स सो इंस्पायरिंग एंड आई थिंक सनी साहिल अब टोल्ड यू ऑल कि कितना मुझे मज़ा आया था, कितना मोटिवेशन मिला था. एंड आई वॉज नेवर अ फिटनेस फ्रीक, बट ये चीज़ें ग्रो हो रही है एंड आई थिंक इसमें मैं जितना कर सकती हूँ मैं करना चाहती हूँ. आई विल ट्राई एवरी सिंगल थिंग. सो मैंने आई थिंक मिस करती है, बट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जितना मैंने सुना है, सो आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड.
So Sahil, tell me, how are you planning to make the most of this trip with all these lovely people?
I will tell you by torturing us.
Yes, the torture is gonna be there every morning, and they will see my face. Yeah. Every morning. Every morning. No, so that is the fun part. You get to do everything, and but morning they still have to get that torture done.
Ready to join us?
Oh wow.
He's coming every night, 7 o'clock to work out with us.
So at night he's allowing you all to party, and then early in the morning he's gonna beat you up as a double torture.
Diving coming up, snorkeling, and so water sports. Yes, of course, I'm a water body, so I'm very much excited. A different perception about fitness. You know what fitness is all about. So getting just ready to get on those beaches and getting those sands on our skin Thank you.
Well, Sunny and Neeraj, I would want to know from you about your experience on partnering with a destination like Thailand.
Yes, so see, so when we started this company, the idea was that fitness in India is primarily considered as bodybuilding. When you say the word fitness, the first visual that comes in your head is a guy lifting weights. So, and why a guy only, not a girl? And why lifting weights? Because bodybuilding is different, fitness is different. So, one thing we wanted to make sure through our content is that, what is fitness? Fitness is strength, stamina, body proportion, flexibility, all these things combined together becomes fitness. जो फिटनेस ट्रिप्स हम कर रहे हैं ये उसी का एक एक्सटेंशन है. हमने बहुत सारे ट्रिप्स किए हैं काफ़ी सारी डेस्टिनेशंस पर, बट थाईलैंड के लिए पर्सनली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि जो थाईलैंड टूरिज्म की मुंबई की टीम है वो हमें पुश कर रही है काफ़ी स्पेसिफिकली फॉर फिटनेस, जो कि आज तक पहले कभी हुआ नहीं था. तो आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम एक कंफर्ट जोन में आ गए थे फिटसअप में कि हाँ ठीक है वही अपना एज इन रोज जो करते हैं वही करेंगे, बट यू गाइस हैव पुश्ड अस सो मच एंड genuinely I'm looking forward to this trip because what's going to happen in this trip is that we are going to torture them and then on the last day we'll have a nice photo in the pool smiling. Yeah, that's going to happen, but you'll get a second torture as well from the tourism team because they have also kept workouts for you every day. So whether it's paddleboard yoga or it's beach yoga or Muay Thai, yeah. So असली बात मैंने तुम्हें बताई नहीं, मैंने तुम्हें बोला Muay Thai में ऐसे ऐसे करना हो, ऐसे नहीं है. तुम्हें सिखाएंगे 15 मिनट फिर तुम्हें फाइटर के साथ छोड़ देंगे.